Assalamu alaikum guys, my name is Mohammad Alam, lecturer of bio, subject biology. Today we start the lecture about the second chapter of bio, second year class, chapter number 2, support and movement. In previous lectures I delivered lecture about what is support, what is movement, how to movement take place in the animals and plants. It means I deliver you the concept of support and movement. So now today I deliver lecture about the second chapter. Main topic is the movement and type of movements in plants. What is movement? How many type of movement in plants? It means how to plant move. So first of all we study on movement. What is movement? So main definition of movement is change of posture, change of posture, and second change of position. Change of posture means say this type of movement take place in both plant and animal. Plants and animals. It means this terminology posture means plant and animals move at stay one place and they move on the same place but do not cover the distance. This means posture. So this movement take place in both plants and animal. Second, change of position. Change of position means locomotion. This type of movement only take place in animals. This is a concept of movement. What is movement? Movement means change of position, change of posture. This type of movement take place plants and animal both living organisms. And change of position, it means locomotion, only take place in animals. Now students, I explain the type of movement in plants. How many type of movement in plants? Basically there are two types of movement in plants. Number one, autonomic movement. What is mean by autonomic movement? Autonomic word means a movement take place spontaneously. It means movement take place spontaneous due to internal change. It means a plant stay at one place and move their branches, move their stem, not due to external environment but only change take place in internal environment spontaneously is called autonomic movement. Number second, peritonic movement. Peritonic movement means the movement take place due to external stimuli. Autonomic movement means movement take place due to internal stimuli, internal changes of body. Peritonic movement means movement take place due to the external changes of body, external stimuli. तो basically अब जो हम स्टडी कर, नाउ वी डिफाइन दिस टाइप ऑफ मूवमेंट. नंबर फर्स्ट टाइप जो है ऑटोनॉमिक मूवमेंट. Autonomic movement. There are three type of autonomic movement. Three type of autonomic movement, which are number one, locomotory movement. Number two, growth curvature movement. Number three, turgor movement. These are the type of autonomic movement. All the type of movement take place in plants due to internal changes, internal stimuli. Now further we define the type of autonomic movement. Number one, locomotory movement. Now I explain the type of autonomic movement. Number one, locomotory movement. What is locomotory movement? Movement of whole plant's body or organ or material within plant cell from one place to another place is called locomotory organ. During locomotory organ, some internal changes take place. Due to internal changes, some material in the body of plants move one place to another place with the help of internal stimuli. This type of locomotory organ. For example, the steaming movement of cytoplasm means during the growth cytoplasm move from one place to another place due to steaming movement. Second example, chromosomal movement during cell division. This word chromosomes present in the every living organism, animal, plants. So during cell division, they move from one place to another place. They move to opposite poles of cell. They move opposite side of the cell during the cell division. This type of movement is called locomotory organ. And number three example, selective movement take place due to the flagella. Number second, growth and curvature movement. Growth movement, what is growth movement? Growth movement is due to unequal growth on two sides of plant. Growth movement is a type of movement which take place due to the unequal growth one side to another side organ is called growth movement. For example, like stem, roots, birds, these are the example of growth movement. Now I explain further type of growth movement. Now I explain the further type of growth movement. So growth movement also divided into the three types. Three types. Now I explain the type of growth movement. Number one, epinasty movement. Number two, hyponasty movement. Number three, Gnostic movement.